Greetings. This tutorial is the first in the series of helping to get you set up on your Noodle Tools account through Porter Creek Secondary School. The very first thing to do is to make sure that you access your account through the school library system. So up here, I'm going to go to Porter Creek Secondary School. It's important to get to your account from under the umbrella of the school and the department. So just searching for Noodle Tools online is not actually going to help you. You won't be able to find your information there. So under Student Info, there's a choice for Learning Commons. You'll click that. And from there, it will click on, or you will select, Search the PCSS Library Catalog. This will redirect you to the Yukon site for all libraries. You will click over here under High Schools, click on Porter Creek Secondary. Scrolling down under Online Resources, on the far right side, under the heading Other Resources, you will see a gray box with a little blue person. That's the tool, the link for Noodle Tools. Select that. This will bring you to the Sign In page for Noodle Tools for Porter Creek Yukon students.